Hello, Afraz. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, Afraz.
Hello, sir.
Thank you so much for joining, Afraz. How are you?
Welcome to my pleasure, sir.
So, how is your life going?
Yes, sir.
You are. It's wonderful that you are joining the classes. You are very active in the group also. That is really appreciating. But
Thank you, sir.
your works or tasks, those are not coming, but those are not very tough things. If you just sit, you can get them, right? So what is the inertia and why it's not working?
স্যার আস্তে আস্তে সব যাবে স্যার।
Look, on April 6, I am showing you the screen now. Look, uh, here. Hmm, I'm showing the screen. Uh, can you see this now? Hello, of course.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
What you are seeing?
Sir, the assignment documents.
Okay, those things I gave in Google Classroom, right?
Yes, sir.
So it was given April 6. I uploaded this all assignments, and even in the Google Drive, we gave these documents even earlier, right? There,
Yes, sir.
all these things were available. So it was long back, almost uh, 1.5 month back, right? From
Yes,
now
sir.
on. So there was plenty of time to solve all these things, right?
Yes, sir.
So it was expected that you will submit it slowly, slowly. Even if you submitted, you could finish everything till now. Mashur Salam Moshi joined. Moshi, thank you so much for joining.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, we are discussing about the our Google Classroom things we gave, right? Here, April 6, I started uploading, and before that, those were available in the Google Drive. I think from school you got one message or email that we are uploading the things in Google Classroom, right? And also, when we started the Google Drive, you got the message, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So it was expected that you are doing all these things within due time. However, still we have time. You should start from now on. Kareem is there, Aisha is there, Aisha is coming. Aisha, where is Aisha? Hmm, Aisha, yeah, Ziba is waiting. Yeah. Ziba is coming. Okay, Aisha may be disconnected again. She'll come. So we see here we did lots of things in Google Classroom. Look, your all teachers gave. Then Anwar Moshe sir, Musa sir, then me. Again, I gave you the notes. Notes on current electricity and DC circuits. These notes have lots of things. If you go through, you will get all the materials related to current electricity DC circuits. If you want to do the assignment or if you want to do the worksheet 3, then this will help you. Hello, Aisha, Ziba.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam. Karim. Hello, Karim.
Karim is not here.
Karim, I admitted him. Okay, maybe he will come again. So another thing I did beside your printed notes or the writing notes, I also uploaded some video over here, right? Here I gave introductory video to introduce with you with the the things we already did and what we are going to do, those things in introductory video I told. And in second video I started mainly current electricity part. That one we discussed current, EMF and voltage. Here all the things are available, the link is there. Just you click here, you can go to YouTube to view all of them, watch all of them. Then the third video, I gave you the Ohm's law, experiment to verify Ohm's law, temperature and resistance, all these things. After that, in fourth video, I gave combined resistance or resistors connected in series or parallel, resistivity and LDR. Just go through. There, I also showed you in the video with paper writing paper. I showed the calculations, some examples, the way we show in board in class. So I think it will be helpful for you. Aisha, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so everyone, they who did not go through these things yet, please go through. I think this will be very good alternative for you to get the ideas during this lockdown period. So here is the fifth video, the final video on DC circuits. This part is on DC circuits. You see here we have here circuit symbols, then series and parallel circuits, potential divider. They who joined late, Afroz was the first to join today's class. For them, they who join late, I am saying that we are in the Google Classroom now, and I am showing you all the things we uploaded in the Google Classroom. Yesterday, I got a comment from one of our students that Google Classroom is not helpful. But if you are going through all these things, I don't know he went through all these things or not. I think he would find these materials helpful. Then I uploaded mark scheme on worksheet 3, that is current, electricity and DC circuits. And this mark scheme will help you to understand your answers. Are those okay or not? If your answer is wrong, you can find help from mark scheme. It will give you idea. In MCQ part, they are giving only the options, correct options, and if your option is wrong, then you can go through the correct option. Yes, how it is correct or how your word is wrong. Even after that you don't understand, you can ask me. Here in this comment link you can ask me, or in the group you can ask me, or in personal messenger you can ask me. Okay, hello, are you getting me all? And
Yes, sir.
okay, then after this we have here study aid or notes on practical electricity. This resource uh, uh, I I tried to make it in a way that any students from long distance, you can understand it easily. You will not face difficulties. I gave for each of the numerical formulas, I gave examples, numerical examples, and also I showed the solution over there, so that it will be not so tough for you to understand. So please go through these notes who still did not go through. I think I found that some of the students, they went through and they could solve the worksheet even. So it's a easy task. It's a very easy task. If you go through, you can understand. And here on April 30th, I uploaded the syllabus, Cambridge O-level syllabus, the one you have to follow. You know, in your textbook, maybe in some of the units, all the things are not available from Cambridge syllabus, and some of the things are also extra over there. So if you are aware about the learning outcomes of Cambridge, then you can you know, collect the things you are missing from the textbook. Also you can skip those things you do not need from book. So this syllabus, I prefer you to go through in your convenient time. Slowly you go, but you should go through this syllabus whole, okay, so that you can do uh, planning, right planning for you, how to do better in the subject. Then we have, you know, after this, I give the mark scheme of practical electricity also, worksheet 4, the last one I gave you. So this Maxim also will help you. The practical electricity worksheet is very small. Only I gave there 10 MCQs, only few structured questions, and those are very easy. If you just go through the study material, that is study aid or notes, whatever you say, that one I gave here. So if you just go through that one, then this worksheet is like very simple for you. You can do it easily with an ease. And even after that you get some difficulties, this marks team is there to help you, right, everyone? Hello, hello.
जी सर बुझতেছি
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, you just say yes or we understood. This way you should respond, then I can understand you are with us. Then uh, here at the it was did not done in last classes. I took the very first two classes. You know, those two classes, the network was good. It would be better than if I had the recording and I could upload. Unfortunately, last class I was recording, but the network was not doing good. That's why you couldn't upload yesterday's class completely. However, I uploaded a little bit, 10 minutes, where you'll get the idea that the feedback from the students who already solved the worksheet or assignments and they did not do. Also, you will get idea. And why I uploaded this, to understand others, so that these things are done. And finally I told about the final examination, of what topics will be available for final term examination. So please watch this video to get the idea about final term examination syllabus, if anyone who missed the class yesterday. Okay, that's all. Till yesterday, we started our Google Classroom on April 6, and today is May 11, so it's more than 1 month. And you already know that before this Google Classroom, that we had Google Drive also, where we also uploaded these materials. Some of the students, only few students that time responded, and afterwards when we started Google Classroom and we made the messenger group, that time we got more participants. Okay, thank you all for having time with the Google Classroom. Now we will go to the study aid, the study materials or notes, whatever you say, on practical electricity. uh, Here we have two formulas, important formulas we discussed. last Monday. There were Ziba was there, right? Ziba was there. Afras was there, right? Afras, hello.
Yes, sir.
Discuss it
Uh,
again then.
yeah. Look, no problem. This I told you that you will understand all these things. These are easily discussed. Now I'm just reviewing these formulas. We have the formula power equals energy by time, right? You know this, right? From the word
Yes, sir.
power energy, you know this formula power equals energy by time. So this energy have also one relation with voltage and charge, right? In the last topic current electricity, you know that voltage is energy per unit charge or work done per unit charge, right? Isn't
Mm-hmm.
it? So
Yes.
if you rearrange this formula, then energy becomes voltage multiplied by charge. Okay,
Yes,
Aisha.
sir.
Uh,
Yep.
we can replace this energy here as voltage multiplied by charge. Then the formula becomes power equals voltage into charge by time. Now, in static electricity, also in current electricity, you know the formula of current, that is charge per time, right? That one we also wrote here, current equals charge per unit time. We know the definition also, that amount of charge flowing per unit time, that is called current. So
Yes, sir.
this formula current equals charge per time we can replace here. Here we have charge per time, okay, and this charge per time we can replace with current. Done. Now this formula comes power equals voltage multiplied by current. And in short, in symbolic way, we can write P equals V multiplied I. We had before the relation of power with energy and time. Now we are having the formula as we are doing with electricity, voltage, current. We are having the formula with power equals voltage multiplied by current. Okay, everyone?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now, this formula also we can do for energy. We have here power equals energy by time, right? So
Yes, sir.
if you rearrange this formula, you can write this way: energy equals power multiplied by time, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now uh, we have here power. So already we have the formula power equals voltage multiplied by current. Then we can replace this power as voltage multiplied by
Yes,
current.
sir.
Then the formula finally comes energy equals
E
voltage times current times time.
time.
So in short, we can write E equals VIT.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
In your numerical questions, if they are asking
Yes,
to
sir.
get the power and if they are giving you voltage and current, then you can use the first formula. If they are asking you to find the energy and they are giving you the voltage, current, and time, then you can use the second formula. Okay,
Okay.
clear now? Now,
Yes.
in our here I gave here two numerical questions, two examples. That here the first one they are asking you, at what rate is electric energy transformed by the fan? In our house we are using fan, then there we are calculating how much power is used by the fan or how much power we got there. Look here, we have given here volt, that means voltage, and we have here current. So if you put this values here, 230 multiplied by 0.4, it comes 92 watt. And you know the SI unit of power is watt. That's why
Yes, sir.
we are getting it as 92 watt. Now
Uh,
again they are asking the question in different way that how much energy is transformed in 1 minute. So here we are getting the formula of energy. Energy equals what we got? VIT, isn't it? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
uh,
Smaller.
so here we got VI, and we can write here P multiplied by T. Okay, we are making the calculation easier because we already have the power with us calculated. That's why we can directly replace this value 92 watt here to calculate energy, right? So
Yes, sir.
here we got 92 watt, and as we are getting the unit in SI unit watt, we have to convert minute into second. Okay, we cannot this one students make mistake that they are multiplying with 1 and they are only getting 92 joules, but uh, here this unit is given minute. We have to check it that the unit is given in same way or not. So we have to convert this 1 minute into 60 seconds, and 92 multiplied by 60, it comes 5520 joules. Okay, got my point, students?
স্যার আরেকবার বুঝাইতে পারবেন?
Yes, I will do it again. Listen, here we have this formula. Till here you understand, right?
Yes,
P
sir.
equals VIT. Then we are writing P multiplied by T. We can do it directly by putting the values of voltage, current, and time. Again, we are putting 230 volt. We can put again 0.4. But already it is done, right? 230
Yes,
multiplied by
sir.
0.4 already done. P, that is
Yes,
P.
sir.
So we are making this formula more simpler. That is P multiplied by T. That is also energy, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have the value of power 92. We are putting this value, and
Hmm.
as the unit watt is in SI unit, that is watt, and
Yes, sir.
the unit here minute, this is not SI. We have to convert the unit in seconds. Okay, if you put only 1 here other than 60, then it will become only 92 joules. That is wrong,
Yes, sir.
right? And if you convert it 1 minute to 60 seconds, that it comes 5520 joules. So
Yes,
we
sir.
got the unit in joules. This is our SI unit. Clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are going for now the next part, that is cost of electricity. In our house, we are using lots of electricity in the whole month. So in our house, the electricity we are using every month, as the amount is huge, we are calculating the energy in kilowatt hour. Okay, look, we told here joule is a very small unit of energy. The energy consumed in household appliance is measured in kilowatt hours. Okay, kilo means 1000. Okay, hello, kilo means how much?
Okay, sir.
Kilo
1,000.
means
1000.
1000. So 1000 watt, then how many hours it is used. So the seconds we are getting, we have to convert into hour. Okay, 1 hour is 3600 seconds. In if in any questions we are getting the information in seconds, then we have to convert it into hour. Okay. So here we got 1 kilowatt hour is the amount of energy that is used 1000 watt appliance in 1 hour. If you look at the electricity meter at home, you will find that it is marked in kilowatt hour. It is therefore called kilowatt hour meter. Clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Now
Yes, sir.
we are also using this idea in our formula we got already. We have here energy equals power multiplied by time, right? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So power we are calculating here in kilowatt, and the time we are using here hour. That's why the unit comes kilowatt hour. Clear, everyone? And
Yes,
for
sir.
them who sometimes make mistakes, like they are saying, if you are multiplying kilowatt and hour, then we are not saying it kilowatt by hour, we are saying kilowatt hour. We are multiplying, that time these units are written side by side, not by or per. Okay, so don't do this mistake,
Yes,
be
sir.
careful. And now here examples, again examples with the electricity bills. Here we have the information that the electrical energy cost $0.90 per unit. What is the cost of running an air conditioner with an average power of 2000 watt for 8 hours? Okay, uh, here look, we are using this unit, new term, this is unit, and 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. In our house, the bill comes, the people say, I got the bill this month 120 unit or 200 units, this way, right? So this unit means 1 kilowatt hour. Everyone, it is clear to you? Hello? Hello, are you clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look, we have the power in watt, isn't it? We have the unit in watt. We are converting watt into kilowatt first. How? By dividing 2000 by 1000. Okay, clear, everyone? Because we are going from watt to kilowatt. We are going from smaller to bigger unit. That's why we have to divide by 1000.
স্যার এই মিটারটাকে কিলোওয়াট মিটার বলে না?
Yes, this meter is called
মানে কি
kilo.
বলে মিটার?
Yeah, electric
কিলোওয়াট
meter,
আওয়ার মিটার নাকি?
kilowatt hour
ইলেকট্রিক।
meter, or we
ও,
say electric meter. Okay,
ওকে স্যার।
now we have to calculate energy, right? You see, we have the formula E equals P multiplied by T, and we have power 2 kilowatt multiplied by 8 hour. So we have here time, right? 8 hours. So 2 kilowatt multiplied by 8 hour, that is 16 kilowatt hour. Got it,
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
So 16 kilowatt hour, we can say 16 unit. 16 unit, as 1 kilowatt hour is 1 unit. They are asking us to find the cost, right, of this electricity we used. So each of the unit is $0.90. If you multiply with 16, it comes $14.4. Okay, everyone? Hello,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
clear to you? Now example 2, again we are getting the similar examples. We have here 3 kilowatt. Already it is given in kilowatt. We do not need to convert into uh, kilowatt. We already have it. Then electrical energy costs 20 cents per kilowatt hour. That means 1 unit is costing 20 cents. So what is the cost of using the heater for 30 minutes. 30 minutes mean half an hour, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
For getting the answer in kilowatt hour, we have to convert the minute into hour. So we converted it. It is coming 0.5 hour, and the power is 3 kilowatt. So the answer is coming 1.5 kilowatt hour. One of the units is 20 cents. So 1.5 unit is 30 cents. The answer is 30 cents. So our time is almost up. We have
Yes, sir.
some of the things, only description here. We no more have any numerical questions. We have
Yeah,
description.
we will just have to read them, right? We don't have to
Yes,
memorize them.
you just
read.
read, you will understand. You just read and you'll understand. And they who
And sir, what
still,
do we need to, copy in our copy means something notable?
yeah,
How will we
yeah,
identify those?
please go through your assignment too, and there we asked you 4 questions. Okay, so
Hmm.
those four questions you answer, and please submit to me, and all information
No,
are
sir, I'm
available.
talking about no, I'm sir talking about the important factors which we have to note it down, which we don't like have to, other factors we will just read them, but the important factors which we have to note down,
Yeah,
I will identify those factors.
that one I am saying that I gave you some important question is assignment, 4
Oh,
questions.
those will be, yeah.
Yeah, those are very important because those are coming in your Cambridge exams. Okay. Uh,
Okay, sir.
I did not give you anything unimportant. So those 4 questions, please you write from these notes. Then it is one of your good preparations, right? Then
Yes,
what
sir.
you will do? You will do worksheet
Yes,
4.
sir.
Then you are doing worksheet 4, which will give you idea about the past paper questions, the way it's coming, how this topic's knowledge is applied in question papers. Okay, so please do worksheet 4. Mark scheme is also there, okay, to help you. Even after that, you have any queries, any confusions, any doubt, please ask me. I am there to answer your questions, right? Now you give me few times, I have to take the screenshot of this, and also you give me the feedback that if you did not understand anything from today's class, please tell me. Anyone? Yeah,
স্যার
first.
যা বুঝি নাই তা ক্লাসের মাঝখানেই জিজ্ঞেস করে নিয়েছি।
Okay,
থ্যাংক ইউ
thank
স্যার।
you. Thank you so much.
আজকের কোনো ক্লাস আছে?
Now I'm
এখন
asking
অ্যাডভান্স ক্লাস
individually.
রিজন স্যারে
ইকোনমিক্স
কল
ক্লাস
দিতে
আছে।
হবে।
So
ইকোনমিক্স একটা 10 ওটা আমি ঘুমাবো তখন।
we
আচ্ছা
have
না,
here
তখন উঠতে হবে আবার, এখন
Adnan.
ঘুমাবো।
We have
অ্যাডম্যাক্স
1, 2,
করাবে?
3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students present today's class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much for joining today.
Okay,
And
sir.
we have a
Thank you,
plan.
sir.
We have a plan also that though we don't have any more classes in routine anymore, but if you want, I can take some more classes like on Wednesday after school. Okay, Wednesday after school at 2 p.m. If you want, then I can continue another lesson for 1 hour. Will you agree with this? Hello?
আফরাজ অ্যান্সার দে।
Hello?
নামাজ
আমি তো
পড়ার টাইম
নিজেই
কই
চুপ
যাবে?
হয়ে বসে গেছি।
ওইটাই
নামাজ পড়ার টাইম কই
নামাজ পড়বো,
থাকবে?
গোসল করবো কখন?
Okay, 2
I
p.m.
made my
If anyone,
quarantine Quran time.
listen, if anyone is interested, then I will conduct it. Otherwise, not. Okay, already our syllabus is done. We are doing till
Done.
practical, yeah, practical electricity. We are doing till practical electricity. Okay, and there was another topic, that is nuclear atom. We are replacing it to
আইছে রে।
that will be in class 10. Okay, clear to you?
স্যার
আমাদের নিউক্লিয়ার ফিজিক্সও আছে। সেই তো।
Hello?
হ্যাঁ, দেখো নাই ইয়াটা সিলেবাসটা?
হ্যাঁ
তোর কি মনে হয়
About
আমায়
the-
দেখার মানুষ?
about the syllabus if you have any questions
So
you
when
can
I
let
have to
me
look
know.
at syllabus.
Hello
স্যার আমাদের একটাও টপিক কাটবে না?
topic তো
মামা বাড়ির আড্ডা।
we do not need to cut because we already did those.
পারলে
Okay?
টপিক বাড়ায়।
We already did those, so why you need to cut, Aisha?
স্যার স্কুল আবার কবে খুলবে জানেন?
আস্তে চিল্লাইছে।
সেপ্টেম্বরের পরে না?
আস্তে কানটা আস্তে
কান
Listen,
ফাইটা যাইতেছে
একটা
আস্তে
বিশিত
আস্তে।
বিশিত
listen,
তুই
Yeah.
আস্তে কথা বল,
Action
আস্তে
হয়েছে।
কথা বল।
listen, students. Our school will open according to government instructions. Maybe
ইনশাআল্লাহ এক বছর পর
if the
সেপ্টেম্বরের পরে খুলে কথা।
if the situation
ভাই
becomes
আরো বাড়বে বন্ধু।
better, then it will open